Hello everyone, and welcome again to my channel. If you want to change your desktop background, in addition to changing the window colors and sounds according to the background you set, then you need a complete desktop themes, and in this video I explain to you a way to get any desktop themes for Windows 11, and these desktop themes are offered to you by Microsoft. Microsoft offers you many categories through which you can get the desktop themes that are suitable for you, whether you use a personal computer or use a computer for work. If you want to change the usual and boring desktop backgrounds, I offer you the shortest and fastest way to get desktop themes. The first thing you have to do is open this link. I will leave you the link in the video description. And you will find many categories suitable for Windows 7, Windows 10, and of course Windows 11. Choose what is compatible with your operating system. I will select Windows 11. Scroll down and you will find all the categories, and inside each one there are many different desktop themes that suit all age groups and suit all fields. The way to get the theme is very easy. Expand any category, and many desktop themes will open for you. Then click on the theme you want. After that it will start directly downloading the theme on your computer. The download only takes a few seconds, because the theme has very little space. After completing the download, open the path to the download folder. Then double-click on the theme you just downloaded, and the system will put it in the Themes section. The next step is to open Settings in Windows 11, and from there open Personalization, then select Themes. Here you will find a set of themes that have been downloaded and running on the system. Select the one that was just downloaded, and each theme you will find has a separate name, and the number of images available in it. The theme you selected will be set immediately, and you can choose the background you want. You will also find that the colors and system sounds have changed. In the same way you can download other desktop themes, let it be about animals for example, do the same previous steps. I believe that this method is the best to obtain the appropriate desktop themes for you, and it is also a safe method to avoid applications and programs of unknown origin, and it is from the official Microsoft website, so it is compatible with the available operating systems, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, or for those users who use Windows 7. I hope the video is useful to you. Thank you for watching. And I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.